Today, let's turn this to this. Basically, I love animals, but I don't like to edit them because it's hard to cut them out, and also it's hard to paint highlights without a paint tablet. So I just have a mouse. I'm going to try my best, wish me luck. So here are the images I'm going to use today. You can download these from the link below. Let's name this artwork as the Precious Cub.
So let 'em paint me the villain. Some of this just may be a symptom of having way too much income. But when you struggle every day.
Starting with the 4x5 canvas, and first of all, let's cut this guy out. I'm going to use the pen tool, and after that, I'm going to use the hair refine option. Once that's done, I'm going to make my background. I join two forest images and erase the sky part. Then I drop the sky image below it and made it dark. To make this cub bit special, I'm going to give him a superpower. Not like this, it's kinda glow in its body. I painted various layers of orange and yellow lights using adjustment layers and used blend if to blend it with the fur. Then painted some subtle glows around that part to make it pop. I want a blue highlighter on the subject, so I added this moon as a light source. For the highlights, I did the same thing that I do in my every video. I'm a bit scared to paint these bright lights around the fur without a paint tablet, but luckily I'm able to manage it. Then I started painting highlights on the rock. After that, I added a smoke layer to make an atmospheric depth. These eyes look so dark, so let's make them pop. Now let's add some particles. I just love adding them here and there. The sky looks a bit empty, so let's add some birds. Let's add some leaves in the foreground. This is not in my initial plan, I planned this while editing. I scared a lot how this gonna end up without a pen tablet, but finally I'm so satisfied with this one. So what do you think? Comment your thoughts below, make the like button blue, and don't forget to follow my Instagram page for more artworks. And now let's move on to Darkder.
Baby, I'm a star, blowing in the dark, big brand like I'm star. By now you gotta know who the fuck we are. Hush, house, thumbing through, tap dancing all these bars. Yeah, I go over anything like ranch. Facts, think I want a yacht and a ranch. Yes, hit the boulevard. boulevard and hit my dance. Everybody wanna be a boss, but they can't. But they motherfucking can't. I go over anything like ranch. Facts. Think I want a yacht and a ranch. Yes. Hit the boulevard and hit my dance. Everybody wanna be a boss, but they can't. But they motherfucking can't.